day 2 of this stair rehab.
One strip along the bottom. Put it along the edge where the carpet tack strips would normally go.
Ta-da! I already pre-cut the carpet yesterday. Hell yeah, it fits perfectly.
Starting the carpet is probably the trickiest part, just because you have to line it up really well. Take the tape off, just at the bottom, and then you're gonna want the carpet to align with the ground. Smooth out the carpet. Take your creaser, in this case the back end of my multi-tool, crease the carpet right at the underside of this tray. If you're having a hard time, take a hammer to help you crease the carpet. Lock it in there. If the staple's still sticking out, you can take either hammer back into your tool, get those staples underneath the carpet so you don't step on them. All right, step 1, check. Next, gently pull the carpet back and then pressing on the carpet and smoothing it out. Carry on. That's about it.